In today's vlog, my friends, yes, we've got another treat for you because we are going jet skiing. Couples jet skiing. You want to come in here?
No, we're not doing the trebles jet skiing today.
Yeah,
no.
two's company, three's a crowd, Daniel. Come on,
we're always getting pushed out.
Got Daniel here from Tenerife First Excursions, and we're going to go on the jet skis today. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
So basically you're going to get a briefing here at the jet ski spot. You're going to head out for an hour in total.
Yeah.
Halfway in between you're going to do a little swim stop where you can jump in. You're going to follow in a group of 4 jet skis, 2 at the front, 2 at the back.
Yeah.
Really fun trip, and these skis in particular are very fast. Okay. So you're going to be bouncing on the back, MacMaster.
Oh man, is there more room than there were on the quads?
Yeah, there's definitely more room than the
bit
quads.
more room.
Hey.
You want a bit?
One more room.
If you want to do this, what was the price?
Well, basically we're doing an offer online on our website at the moment, €95 for the hour, single or double, and 110 for 2 hours, single or double. Or drop me a message via email, the link obviously will be down on the bottom.
Down the bottom, yeah.
And I can do deals for if you're doing a load of different excursions. I do pack deals, you know.
And then follow the Facebook page because sometimes you put offers on there and stuff like that.
Yeah, I do different offers on there. Definitely follow the Facebook page, Tenerife First Excursions.
Excellent. And come and see this guy Daniel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click that little bell for notifications when I upload new videos. Follow me on Instagram, which is down there. He's got a YouTube channel as well. I better tell you about that, otherwise he'll cry. Yeah. He's not filming this today though because he's tired. I'm tired. So without further ado, my friends, I'm a bit hesitant about this. Let's go.
Sorry, guys.
That'll be.
Okay, try and not fall in.
Master, you're alright, use my arm, my shoulder.
Use your arm, thank you.
Yeah, go on, you're right.
Oh.
It'll take your weight, no problem. The nice big bikes these, yeah.
Oh.
Easy ride.
Okay, 1 second.
Jump,
Oh. Whoa. Okay, so.
They're quite comfy once you're on, to be
Oh,
fair.
don't go fast. I'm going to get a bit closer. How do you hold? What do I hold on to?
Me?
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Christ.
Hey.
I'm holding on to him. It's a little bit close again, isn't it, eh?
I like it like that.
You like it like that? Don't go fast, don't go fast, don't go fast.
I won't.
Faster is better.
No! No!
I must say though, these are nice jet skis. I've done a lot of jet skis here, Florida, everywhere. These are nice jet skis. You've even got the wing mirrors on them.
You just
I
put
like
your
them.
safety key on.
Yep.
Safety key on, you get the safety key on. Okay, we're just gonna trundle out.
We're getting towed out, which is for safety through the harbour, through the dock.
Okay. See ya! Cheers!
Thanks, Daniel.
Thanks, Daniel.
I'm just going to clip you guys off now, yeah?
Okay.
And then Johnny's going to take us from here.
Is it nice and calm out there today?
It's lovely and flat out there, you know, we've seen before.
Every time I do jet skis, it's never flat for me.
It's lovely out there.
So it is nice and flat, nice and calm,
Which is good.
what I was after.
I'm gonna have to put my arm around his waist like that.
I want both arms, not one.
Listen, there's one arm I'm holding onto the camera with the other. You're getting one arm.
You'll enjoy this. I know
Yeah.
you're nervous now, but I think
I
you'll
am.
enjoy it.
I'm bloody nervous, yeah.
Now he's confirmed that it's flat. That really is good for us. I've done it loads, but it's always been choppy. Flat. Can't wait.
Are we ready?
We're ready. We're just going to trundle out. We can't go too fast at this point. You ever tried to steer a jet ski?
No.
They're not easy.
The things I do for YouTube.
Whoa, hey, look, see.
Easy, where are you going?
I don't know.
Where are you going?
Are you ready for this?
Oh, wait. Wait. Whoa.
Here we go.
Easy, Tiger. Oh! Oh!
I might be going fast, yeah?
Oh, man! Ooh. Oh.
Are you ready?
Yeah! So we're just basically trying to look for some dolphins now.
Well, we've just seen them, but they've just gone
We've
down.
seen them, but they've just gone down again, and literally, they're there. Look.
There they are.
Right, go.
Yeah, it's not good. Too close.
This is something else because you really do get to see the dolphins
And you're
right close up.
down at their level.
And yeah, you're down at their level.
It's much closer than if you were from a boat. We didn't actually see the dolphins when we did the boat trip, unfortunately. We saw the whales, but not the dolphins. These are the bottlenose dolphins. They've just gone through there as well. Amazing.
Phenomenal.
What a morning.
There they are, look, there they are. So basically this is where you get to change.
You can swap
swap
drivers.
drivers, but I'm going to stay as a passenger so I can film. Leave Andrew as the designated driver.
You can have a swim here as well if you want.
You can, I think.
Take a little dip, cool off. I'm not going to, but you can do if you want to. As I was saying before, you might not be able to hear me. You've got fish farms over here where they farm fish in the big, huge nets. They don't look very big from here, but they're massive. And those fish in the nets, and when they get fed, attracts smaller other fish. And that's why we get a lot of dolphins come here, because they will feed on the smaller fish that are attracted to the nets. So it is common to see dolphins in this area, because they do come and have a little easy dinner around these nets. But with how flat it is as well, it's so easy to spot them. They just came out of nowhere, didn't they?
Unbelievable. Phenomenal. Never seen anything like it. Amazing.
What a morning. Tenerife, sunshine, blue skies, flat ocean, jet ski, MacMaster, night strider,
Crazy night strider.
bottlenose dolphins.
My leg's gone. Oh.
Oh, you sit on that side just for now to balance the boat.
What are you saying?
Just sit there to balance the boat, otherwise it'll be two on side, isn't it?
What's it here? Oh.
Amazing.
Oh, amazing. What speed did you get up to, you nutter, at the end?
40 at one point.
40? Madman. Oh man, whew. That was amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah,
So good. You couldn't have asked
good.
for a better morning.
Oh
Flat,
no,
sunny, dolphins, fun.
unbelievable. Daniel from Tenerife First Excursions, thanks mate, superb. You missed out on a treat there.
And just say one thing, thanks to you guys for watching as well, because if you didn't watch, we wouldn't be out there doing it.
Exactly.
You'd be at home in Pudsey. I'd be in the apartment or cleaning cars or something. So thanks very much to you guys for watching. It makes things like that possible.
It does. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed that little trip there. I'll put Daniel's details in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, click that little bell for notifications of when I upload new videos. Follow me on Instagram, which is down there. Follow this guy's channel as well. I'll put his link down there as well. Or at the end as well. You'll see his little picture at the end, his smiley face. Click on him as well. And if you're not subscribed to me, obviously subscribe to me. Yeah, definitely. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive. Goodbye.